Hello, I am Dr. Subaila Zia, founder and CEO of a Silicon Valley-based telehealth company called Telemedora. I'm also a sleep, pulmonary, and critical care physician. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 things you need to know to get the sleep you need and wake up refreshed and energized. Number 1. Both quantity and quality of sleep matter. Quantity of sleep you need depends upon your age group. For example, in a 24-hour period, recommended sleep for adults between 18 to 64 years of age is approximately 7 to 9 hours, while recommended sleep for teenagers is between 8 to 10 hours. Remember, quality of sleep is also important. The less sleep fragmentation you have, the better quality sleep you will get. For instance, you can't have quality sleep for only 4 hours in 24 hours and expect to wake up feeling rejuvenated. On the other hand, fragmented sleep of 7 to 8 hours will also not make you feel energetic. So, your goal should be to have both adequate hours of sleep and good quality sleep, not one or the other. Number 2, consistent sleep schedule. When it comes to sleep schedule, consistency matters. For example, some people have different sleep schedule for weekdays and weekends. People like to stay up late and sleep in late on weekends. This does no good to their sleep health. Every day, be it a weekday or a weekend, try to follow the same sleep schedule. Number 3, sleep-friendly bedroom. For example, your bedroom should not be too cold or too hot. Keeping bedroom temperature around 68 degrees Fahrenheit is recommended. It should be quiet to allow you to sleep without any sleep fragmentation. Do not sleep with your TV or your music system on. It should be dark, relaxing, and have a comfortable mattress. If possible, make your bedroom blue light emitting electronic free zone by removing TV, laptop, phone, tablet, etc. Stop using blue light emitting electronic devices at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Your bed should be reserved only for sleep and intimate activities. Number 4, things which improve general health also help improve sleep health as well. These include stopping smoking, avoiding alcohol, limiting caffeine intake, regular exercise as long as it is 6 hours before bedtime, avoiding large fatty meal at bedtime. These will all help you improve your sleep health. Number 5, pre-sleep routine is important. Allow at least 30 minutes to your body to unwind before going to bed. You could integrate activities like relaxation exercises, deep breathing, warm shower, etc. I hope you found these 5 tips helpful for your sleep health. Thank you.